Faceless YouTube channels like these are generating thousands of views on YouTube every single day. These channels utilize AI to quickly make their videos. With some editing, their videos are captivating and engaging. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can replicate this in under an hour to build a subscriber base quickly and start making the big bucks by getting your channel monetized. Be sure to stay until the end for the best tip that is a total game changer with increasing views and subscribers fast. Also, every resource we use to create these videos are completely free, and the links for them will be in the description down below. But first, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future videos that will help you grow on YouTube. The first step is to brainstorm video ideas. One helpful tool for this is ChatGPT, an AI language model. ChatGPT can assist you in generating creative and exciting concepts tailored to your niche and audience. Once you have your video idea, engage ChatGPT to generate a script for your video. Ask ChatGPT to write a script based on your chosen topic, allowing the AI to provide you with an initial framework for your video. Next, copy and paste your script into a Microsoft Word document. Edit the script to your liking. Pro tip: delete the word host in front of each paragraph to make your video sound more natural. After finalizing your script, it's time to bring it to life with a voiceover. We are going to use 11 Labs for this. 11 Labs has a free trial period, and you can just sign up with your email. Copy your script from the Word document to 11 Labs and select a voiceover that matches the tone and style of your video. Be mindful that you can only import around 150 words at a time. Remember to use appropriate intonation and pacing to engage your audience effectively. After you press Generate Video, you can download the audio clip and enter it into Capcut. Capcut is a free video editing software that is easy to use and has thousands of features that makes editing your videos easy. Next, we'll utilize Pictory.ai. Pictory has a free trial, so you don't have to worry about spending any money for now. Select Script to Video from the menu. Copy and paste your edited script from Microsoft Word into Pictory.ai, and the platform will automatically generate relevant images and footage based on your content. I'm only going to generate a small sample from the story just to show you how it works. You can customize the visuals and even choose from a wide selection of royalty-free music to enhance the overall production quality. After downloading the enhanced video file from Pictory.ai, import it into Capcut. This will allow you to synchronize the visuals with the voiceover seamlessly. Arrange the clips, adjust the timing, and add any additional effects or overlays to enhance the visual appeal of your video. With the visuals and voiceover perfectly synchronized, it's time to finalize your video. Make any necessary adjustments, such as adding transitions, text overlays, or background music, to create a polished end product. Once you're satisfied with the result, export the video in your preferred resolution from Capcut, and then download the video. Congratulations on creating your faceless YouTube video. Now it's time to share it with the world. Upload your video to your YouTube channel and fill in the title, description, and tags. You can utilize ChatGPT once again to create a description and title using keywords that you choose. To optimize your video's visibility, we recommend using vidIQ. This tool provides title and tag suggestions based on popular search terms, helping you rank higher in search results and attract more viewers. Pro tip: remember, consistency and quality content are key to growing your YouTube channel. Experiment with different video styles, engage with your audience, and continuously improve your skills. Good luck on your YouTube journey, and there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make faceless YouTube videos. By following these steps, you can create engaging content while maintaining your anonymity or exploring a unique content style. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.